Today, yes, it is okay sound. Today we will discuss GP. GP means geometric progression. Yeah, GP geometric progression. This is comparing to AP arithmetic progression, little bit different. In arithmetic progression, we learned all are in addition form, and in AP, the series like this 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. This is clearly AP series, arithmetic progression. How we can say this is arithmetic progression? We know that is what 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 3 minus 2 is equal to also 1. 4 minus 3 is equal to also 1. 4 minus 3 is equal to also 1. So, the common difference of every letter with the preceding letter is equal, then that progression is called clearly AP. This is AP, arithmetic progression we say. Now we are learning GP. In arithmetic progression, this first thing is called the first term. First term. Once again, I am recapping. This is that is first term. We denote this first term with a equal to 1. And the common difference is what 1. 1 is the common difference. You can take every number and subtracting with preceding number, you will get 1. That common difference called with D equal to 1. And one more, what you are getting the last term, this is N. This N is called the nth term. This is first term. We denote with the T1, term 1, that is A. And second term, T2, third term, T3, fourth term, T4, like that. Last term will be Tn. Here for this AP, last term is N. For this AP, last term is N. For general AP series, the last term is different. If you change the progression, you will get the different AP, different nth term. So here Tn is nth term, T1 is the first term. Common difference is D, that is D equal to here 1. And the general AP series also I gave you A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, something. Here, why I am giving AP now, we are having common difference in AP. By common difference only, we can say that progression is AP or not. Then how we can say the given progression is GP? By common difference. See, 2 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 2, 1, 4 minus 3, 1, 5 minus 4, 1, 6 minus 5, 1, 7 minus 6, 1. Like that, if you take any number with that number subtraction, with the preceding number subtraction, you will get the common difference same. Then we can say this is AP. But how we can say the given progression is GP? So, here, very important, common difference. Common difference. Common difference. Depending on common difference, we can say the given progression is AP or not. For GP, geometric progression. Geometric progression. For GP, how we can say that given progression is GP with common ratio. Common ratio. This is very important. With common ratio. Ratio means divisible. Suppose 4 by 2 what? 2. 6 by 3 what? 2. 8 by 4 what? 2. See, this is the common ratio for all these numbers. Ratio means east only, na? That is 4:2 means 4 by 2. 6:3 means 6 by 3. 8:4 means 8 by 4. Ratio means divisible. Okay. So 4 by 2, 2, 6 by 3, 2, 8 by 4, 2. Like this, we can write more numbers to get 2 is the common ratio. See, this is the common ratio. Common ratio. If you'll get like this, if you take any series, if you get the ratio is same, that is the common ratio is same, then that progression is called geometric progression. That progression is called geometric progression. Comparing to AP, this is little bit different and difficult. But if you listen carefully, it is also very easy. Everything is easy in mathematics, but the listening is very important. Now I will start GP with the standard form. What we are listening is very important. What we are not listening, what we left, that is not important. So please listen. Geometric progression. The progression which is having common ratio. The progression or series having common ratio. Having common ratio is called GP. We denote with like this, capital G dot capital P. GP is called GP. And now, if suppose A1, A2, A3, A4, so on, AN are in GP, if suppose this is a series which is in GP, then compulsory what should be same? Common ratio. Common ratio means this by this, A2 by A1 equal to this by this, A3 by A2 is equal to this by this, A4 by A3 equal to so on equal to AN by the preceding term will be AN minus 1. This is nth term, last term. The but one term will be AN minus 1. After that AN term. This is third, then fourth, then fifth, like that AN minus 1, then AN term. Okay, this is nth term, last term. N. The preceding for N minus 1, that is AN minus 1. So this by this. This is comma. Okay, this by this, this by this. And the common ratio should be equal. Then this series is called GP, geometric progression. Okay, the constant ratio, this constant ratio is called common ratio. In a GP, we shall denote the first term by A. Very important, this is first term is denoted by A. In AP also first term denoted by A. In GP also first term denoted by A. Common ratio. Common ratio. Common ratio. We denoted with small r. Common ratio denoted with small r. In AP, common ratio denoted with D, small d. In GP, common ratio denoted with small r. And next, and the nth term is denoted by Tn. Nth term means last term. Nth term is denoted by Tn. Nth term is denoted by Tn. T1, n equal to 1 if you take, that is first term. N equal to 2 if you take, T2, that is second term. N equal to 3 if you take, T3, that is third term. This is T1, this is T2, this is T3, T4, this is Tn, this is Tn minus 1 terms. First term T1, second term T2, third term T3, fourth term T4, so on. This is T, fourth term T4, third term T3, second term T2, first term T1, n minus 1 term Tn minus 1, nth term Tn. Like this we have to take. Okay, like this we have to take the terms. Okay, T1, T2, first term, second term, third term. And if you find fourth term, to find fourth term, we have to take n equal to 4 here. You will get the answer. To find the third term, take n equal to 3, you will get the answer. To find the 8th term, 9th term, 100th term, 500th term, whatever it is, you have to take in place of this n, 500, 400, 600, depending on the question. What is asking in the question, you have to take that number. Then you will get, and there is a formula to find this Tn, that also I will give you. First of all, I am telling what is the first term, what is the common ratio, what is the nth term. Denotes, I mean, notations. These all are called notations. Okay, first term denoting with A, common ratio denoting with R, and nth term denoting with Tn, fifth term denoting with T5, seventh term denoting with T7, 100th term denoting with T100. Like this, these are minimum for AP, GP, and HP also. So here, next, you have to copy compulsory. This is common ratio. Common ratio. Copy fast in 2 minutes. Everyone copy. Now I will give you 1 or 2 examples to check the series are GP or not. If given any progression, we have to find the common ratio. Then we can say if you will get the common ratio is same, that progression is geometric progression, GP. Okay. So I give you one series now, and is that GP or not, we have to check. Example 1, that is 3, 6, 12, 24, 48, so on, is a GP. Is a GP. Right. 3, 6, 12, 24, 48, so on. More numbers are there. Is a GP is saying, but I am asking, is this a GP? Is GP? I am asking. How we can say this is GP or not? The given terms. This is the first term, T1. Second term, T2. Third term, T3. So on. And just now we wrote here notations for first term, second term, third, nth term, and common ratio. First term, we notated with a small a is equal to what? 3. But with the first term, we can't say that is GPR, APR, whatever it is. With the common ratio only, we can say that is GPR not. Now, common ratio, we denoted with small r is equal to what? T2 by T1. T2 by T1 should be equal to T3 by T2. T3 by T2 is equal to T4 by T3. T4 by T3 is equal to so on. If we get this value is same, then we can say that is clearly GP. Therefore, R equal to T2 by T1. T2 is 6 by T1 is 3 is equal to T3 is 12 by T2 is 6 is equal to T4 is 24 by T3 is 12 is equal to so on. Now 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja cancel, 6 1 ja, 6 2 ja cancel, 12 1 ja, 12 2 ja cancel. So you are getting what? 2 2 2, which is same. So what is the value of R? Same. You are getting the common ratio is equal. Since common ratio is equal, therefore given progression is called GP. Is called GP. This is only to find the given progression is GP or not. This is only the checking process. One more example to homework, that is given here numbers -5, 10, -20, 40, -80, so on is GP. Is this GP? We have to check. This by this, this by this, this by this, this by this should be, will get equal. Then that is called GP. Check once. 10 by -5 will be -5. -20 by 10 will be sorry, 10 by -5 will be -2. -20 by 10 will be -2. 40 by 20 -20 will be -2. So you will get -2 for this series. Just do in your homework, not here. First copy this. Copy this. If any doubt, please ask me. This is the starting, na? You should be very. Yeah. Now we will discuss about nth term in GP. Nth term in GP. How we will find nth term in geometric progression. That is only the very important. In AP or GP or HP, whatever it is, finding nth term and sum is very important. How we will find nth term and how we will find all the sum of all the terms is very important. That is now general term in GP. General term in GP. How you will find general term? Means second term, third term, fifth term. See, if I write like this, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. Sorry, 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, 24 2 ja 48. Just no previous question. This is see first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. Up to fifth term only given in the question. But I am asking what is the 10th term? Somewhere you will get. You will get somewhere in this series. 10th term is what? The process to find like this 10th term, 11th term, whatever it is. First way is, that is basic way. That is what you have to write like this: 48 2 ja, and again 2 ja, again 2 ja, again 2 ja. You will get what is in 10th place. That is the 10th term. Suppose I am asking 7th term. What is 7th term? From 48 we have to continue again. 48 2 ja 88 plus 8 16 96. 96 2 ja 90 90 186 plus 6 12 192, so on. So this is the 7th term. 5th, 6th, 7th term. In this way we can say which term if we'll ask, but for small letters only we can find. Suppose the progression only will start with 120, then 122 ja 240, 242 ja 480, 482 ja. Like that, if you ask T10, 10th term is what? So we can't multiply like this. We can do, but it will take most time. For that, this is very easy way to solve, to find whatever it is. 7th, 10th, 8th, whatever it is term, we can find by using general term formula. General term means 7th term, 8th term, 10th term, 11th term, whatever it is, 15th term, or last term also we can find. What is the last term of this series also we can find. Okay, so here the general term is nothing but the last term. Actually, general term is nothing but the last term. Okay, na? See here, general term in GP. And before that, I want to tell you one more thing, that is, just a second. How much time we have? 7 minutes. Okay. Before that, I will tell you one more thing, that is what, suppose one first term, 1 2 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32. So on we can do like this. This is actually What I am writing here, this is the common ratio. Suppose if I will not give you, the question will be appear like this only. 2 to 2 will not appear. But I am giving in my own one example. See, is this GP or not? How we can say by finding common ratio? See, 2 by 1, T2 by T1 we have to do, right? Common ratio small r is equal to 2 by 1 is equal to this by this. 4 by 2 is equal to this by this. 8 by 4 is equal to this by this. 16 by 8 is equal to 32 by 16. So on. See, 2 by 1 is clearly 2. 2 2 ja again 2. 4 2 ja again 2. 8 2 ja again 2. 16 2 ja again 2. See, if you observe the common ratio is 2, na? That's why I am writing here 2. 1 2 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32. So if you do like this, you can find easily. Understand? That's why I am giving a clue. 1 2 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32. This is clearly common ratio. See, this is only common ratio. So now what I am going to tell you, if given common ratio, we can easily write the progression. How, sir? See, I gave you the first term A is equal to 1, common ratio is equal to 2. First term is 1. Now, second term, what I told you to do? 1 into 2. 1 into 2. 1 into 2 what? 2. Third term what? 2 into 2 we have to do. That is nothing but 1 into 2 square. 2 square is what? 4. 4 into 1 what? 4. Just now I wrote you what is the series? 1, 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64. Like this, we can write. This is clearly GP. Just now we proved. But I am writing how? 1 into 2, 2. 1 into, we are using common ratio. That common ratio is very important. Understand? Listen carefully. Concentrate on this. That common ratio we should use, and A we should use. 2 square, that is 2 to the 4 into 1, 4, comma 1 into 2 cube, that is what? 8. 8 into 1, 8. And 1 into 2 power 4, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. You have to write like this: 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times, na? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 16 1 ja, again 16. And 1 into 2 power 5, that is 2 power 5, 32 you will get, into 2, once again 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 34. 32, 32 into 1, 32, see 32. These all are we got, na? So like this everything you will get, means the series is in the form of A, I will write here. Listen carefully. A, comma, A into R, RA, comma, A into R square. R is 2 na? 1 is A na? So R square into A or A into R square, whatever it is. అలాగే రాద్దాం. AR, comma, AR square, AR square, comma, AR cube, AR cube, comma, AR power 4, AR power 4, comma, so on. Last term is what? See here. The last term is what you will get. That is only the general term you have to find. But I will write C. T1, T2, yeah. Okay. How we will get that I will tell you. T3, T4, T5. If you observe clearly, why we are getting A R power n minus 1, I will tell you. That is the last term. Why? See, T1. For T1 only we have A. There is no R. That's why I am writing A R power 0. R power 0 is what? 1. Anything power 0 is always 1. 1 power 0, 2 power 0, E power 0, X power 0, whatever it is, something power 0 is always what? 1, we know already. We have 1 for everything power 0. That's why Here we have no r, but we should write in terms of r. That's why I'm writing r power 0. See, if you have 1, I mean first term r power 0, second term r power 1, third term r power 2, fourth term r power 3, fifth term r power 4. Like this, nth term, that is Tn, means nth term. Last term will be r power n minus 1. If you observe, see, third term 3 minus 1, 2 is nothing but what? 3 minus 1. Fourth term 4 minus 1 is 3. Fifth term 5 minus 1 is 4. Second term 2 minus 1 is 1. First term 1 minus 1 is 0. Like this, sixth term 6 minus 1. Nth term n minus 1. So this is the last term is nothing but called general term. This is nothing but called what? General term. Okay, I'm writing, see, first term is nothing but a r power 1 minus 1. A r power 1 minus 1 is nothing but a r power 0. Second term a r power 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is nothing but a r power 1. Third term t3 a r power 3 minus 1 is nothing but a r square. That is only third term. And fourth term t4 is equal to a r power 4 minus 1. That is nothing but a r cube. Similarly, nth term tn is equal to a r power n minus 1 is nothing but a r power 4 3, and this is we can't write, that is only n minus 1 n minus 1. 4 minus 1 3 we can write, but n minus 1 n minus 1. So what is the last term? A r power n minus 1. This is only, we can say, the general term Tn is equal to a r power n minus 1. A r power n minus 1. Very, very important in GP. What is the nth term in GP? What is nth term? Jibin?